Hey everyone, Universal Canine Dogs here. This is Rocky, the Jack Russell. As you can see, sweet as anything. Beautiful family pet. But as you've seen from the videos before, a complete dickhead when we go outside. So what I want you to watch is the next few clips where I actually get him off the leash, as we go out and we're not surrounded by fences or anything. He's free to run away. And you'll see us working heel, working recall, and like magic, he's perfect now. So watch the next clips and we'll see you soon. Good boy, good boy. That is what we call magic. And if you'd like a perfect family pet, then get in touch on the email address below and book in for one of our board and train programs in the United States or the United Kingdom, and we can create the perfect family pet for you. And it's 100% guaranteed. 100% guaranteed. So contact us now.